Efficiency ratios are also known as activity financial ratios and used to measure how well a company is utilizing its assets and resources. Asset turnover ratio measures a company's ability to generate sales from assets, and it's calculated as net sales divided by average total assets. In the retail sector, an asset turnover ratio of 2.5 or more could be considered good, while a company in the utilities sector is more likely to aim for an asset turnover ratio that is between 0.25 and 0.5. So let's calculate efficiency ratios for the given company. We'll start with the asset turnover ratio, which is net sales. So let's go ahead and find net sales here in the income statement, divide by total assets. And we can see that asset turnover ratio for the given company is from 0.4 to 0.6. Inventory turnover ratio measures how many times a company's inventory is sold and replaced over a given period, and it's calculated as cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. A good inventory turnover ratio is between 5 and 10 for most industries, which indicates that you sell and restock your inventory every 1 to 2 months. This ratio strikes a good balance between having enough inventory on hand and not having to reorder too frequently. So let's calculate inventory turnover ratio for our company. It's going to be our cost of goods sold, which is in our income statement, divided by average inventory, which is on the line 22. I'm going to fill it to the right, and we can see that inventory turnover ratio is 5, which for most industry is a good indicator. And the last efficiency ratio we will discuss with you is days sales in inventory. It measures the average number of days that a company holds on to inventory before selling it to customers. Days sales in inventory is calculated as 365 days divided by inventory turnover. Managing inventory levels is vital for most businesses, and it is especially important for retail companies or those selling physical goods. While the inventory turnover ratio is one of the best indicators of the company's level of efficiency at turning over its inventory and generating sales from that inventory, the days sales of inventory ratio goes a step further by putting that figure into a daily context and providing a more accurate picture of the company's inventory management and overall efficiency. So let's calculate days sales in inventory for our company. It's going to be 365 days divided by inventory turnover ratio. And if I fill it to the right, for all the years, we can see that days sales in inventory is from 72 to 73.